Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a thing 1 and thing 2 makeup tutorial. If you saw my Instagram, I did do both, so I'm now currently thing 1 and then I just added thing 2 later on. But the reason I'm doing this is because I'm currently in Orlando, Florida and going to the Universal Parks, and if any of you have been there you would know that they have a Dr. Seuss land, or they call it Seuss Landing, I'm pretty sure. I absolutely love Dr. Seuss. I grew up reading the books and I've kept all of them. I just love the creativity and the craziness of them and always have. So I knew at some point I wanted to do a thing 1 and thing 2 makeup look, and I think this is the perfect time. I have done a Cindy Lou Who makeup tutorial. I did that around Christmas time, as well as a Grinch one. So if you're interested in them, make sure you check out my channel. But if you would like to see how I created this thing 1, thing 2 makeup look, then please keep watching. Hello, I know it's been a while since I've done a voiceover, but this one really needs one. So I'm contouring my face to look like a Who, and the product I'm using is by Jecca Black, and it's this Sculpt and Soften palette in light. This is honestly my ride or die. I love this so much. I heavily contour the outsides of my nose, but leaving the tip clear because I want the tip to look as big as possible but the rest to look as skinny as possible. I've also contoured my cheekbones and joint it up to the tip of my nose to make my face look really animated, and I'm also contouring my temples as if I would to do a Halloween skull. I'm doing this to make my cheekbones really stand out and look high because that's what Who's faces look like. I quickly highlight down my nose and then I use the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Hot Tub Club. I don't do anything crazy with this, I just do a normal winged eyeliner. I then apply the Colourpop Super Shock blush in the shade No Vacancy really heavily on the apples of my cheeks. For my freckles I use an eyebrow pomade and a dotting tool. For my nose, I use the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Coco's Island, and I just place this over the tip of my nose. I cut up some false eyelashes and went over them with the Hot Tub Club eyeliner that I used earlier, and then I also fill my eyebrows in with the same eyeliner. I then get some concealer and cover my top lip, but then on my bottom lip use the Ofra liquid lipstick that we used earlier for my nose. And then I put on my wig and style it. So this is the finished look. I've added this wig that is the same colour as the cartoons. I've also got this t-shirt on with this paper thing 1 on, and when I'm thing 2, obviously just change this bit of paper. I really hope you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Hit that like button down below because it will really help me out. And if you're into creative makeup looks like this one, then make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. I am currently in Florida right now, as I said earlier, so if you would like to see what I get up to over there, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name's @Brooke.Ellis_, and if you want to see my fashion page, see what I'm wearing out there, my name is @BrookeEllisWears. They'll be on the screen and also linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!